What's up, Zilliqa Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. As you know, my friends, it is the last day of a month. And in the last day of this month, the people are doing a very big mistake. So please, first of all, I request everyone, please, my friends, don't do this mistake. After you do this mistake, so you're in the loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you will get a high amount of profit from Zilliqa. Keep watching this video, but before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, if you look the latest price of the Zilliqa this time in the market 0.11303 USD dollar. That is the latest price of Zilliqa in the market. On the other side, as you can see here now, the last 1 hour pricing is negative. Now I'm talking about the currently situation live of Zilliqa at this time is fast down, my friends. So as I told you, my friends, at this time in the last half month, the people doing a very big mistake, my friends. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you will be lose your money. So don't waste your money and be safe from loss. Let's see, my friends, the price chart, what's going on, and let me show what is your mistake. You can see that is the last 3 days price chart after Zilliqa coin, my friends. You can see in the previous time, if you look, that is the last 3 days price chart. In the previous time, the price is continuously dumps down, fast down, fast down, fast down. But in the last 2 days, the Zilliqa will start again jump. As you can see at the first day and last second day, they take a jump, my friends. So that's how you can make a good amount of profit from the Zilliqa, my friends. If you want to make a good amount of profit with the Zilliqa, so my friends, it's time to buy Zilliqa. It's time to hold Zilliqa, my friends, because from the previous last 2 days, the Zilliqa start jumping, start jumping, start jumping. And my friends, and on the first two, there was a lot of chances to take a jump and jump, my friends. That is why at this time I request everyone that please don't decide to sell. If you want to invest in a Zilliqa, absolutely that's a good idea. And if you want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market, so Zilliqa future is bright. That is my prediction only. We can't say about the future, but on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, I suggest for everyone to buy Zilliqa because the future of Zilliqa is bright, my friends. You can see now the jumping period of the Zilliqa or start now. You can see here if you do technical analysis. So now you can see take a jump, fast down, take a jump, and again fast down. Again after let it fast, they will again take a jump. Same like that, this process. So if we look the average level, so the average level price after Zilliqa as goes up. That's how you can make a good money with the Zilliqa. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.